Hi everyone, this is K. Sai Lakshmi Apurva, and my project is about smart waste management system using IoT devices. In this project, I have used some of the IoT devices like Raspberry Pi, LCD, IR sensor, and ultrasonic sensor, and these are the main components in my project. So the major role which plays is the Raspberry Pi. This is the Raspberry Pi, and this Raspberry Pi consists of 40 GPIO pins, and these GPIO pins are used to connect the LCD, servo motor, IR sensor, and ultrasonic sensor. In this project, I have used a common board also. This common board is used to help in the connections of VCC and ground for this project. And this LCD will shows the display of the level inside the dustbin and the status, whether it is full, medium, or empty. And now the level of the dust inside the dustbin is 5 and the status is full. So this IR sensor is used to sense an object which is coming near to that. So when we come nearer to it, it actually blinks. When we move out of it, and the light will stop. So this is the ultrasonic sensor which is kept inside the dustbin. This ultrasonic sensor is used to measure the level and the status of the dust inside the dustbin. This is the servo motor, and this is used to rotate the lid which is present on the dustbin, and this yellow one will rotate when object comes near to the IR sensor. So let me show you. I'm just keeping my hand and it will open, and this lid will be open for 7 seconds after the opening, and it will close after 7 seconds automatically. So this is used to rotate. For this servo motor and for the Raspberry Pi, we are using an adapter for the power supply to the servo motor and for the Raspberry Pi. This is used for Raspberry Pi, and this is used for the servo motor. And this project is also been created with the duplicate desktop for writing the code. It is also stored in the Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi consists of a memory card inside it, and this memory card is used to store the data. For writing the code, we have to first install the software, the OS. So for this project, I have installed Fedora OS for writing the code, and also dump it in the Raspberry Pi. So for this, I have created a software. For this, I have used a VNC software. So in that VNC software, I have created a duplicate desktop using the Raspberry Pi IP address. So this is the Raspberry Pi IP address, that is 192.168.22.238 is Raspberry Pi IP address. This IP address will change automatically. This is a desktop which I have created using the VNC software, and this is a dustbin, and this will display you the output of the dustbin, what exactly the status is. So this is the status of the dustbin. It is 5.3 centimeters, and the bin status is full. Dustbin is full. Now let us take some of the dust inside of the dustbin. Now let me take some of the dust out of the dustbin, and let us see the level and the status of the bin. So now it is the level of the dust inside the dustbin is 17, and the status is medium. It will automatically show it in this desktop also. Each and every second, the measurement and the status of the bin will be monitoring by the desktop. And for this project, I have also created a web page so that we can access it anywhere we want. So that will open in the normal web page like Chrome. So this is the web page what I have created for this project. We have to give the user ID and password. So username is admin and password is 123456. I have created this user ID and password in the code, and which will be a default. So what the level, status, date and time will be recorded in the web page, and this same will be displayed on the LCD. So this will actually use for the smart so this is overall my project goes with, and this is the what I have created, and I've kept the name as smart waste management system. Thank you.